So today we're using the MAINSLINK to operate two sets of lights without the need of a wire between the two buildings. The client has their external lights on a timer and they would like their house lights to come on the same time as their garage lights. And there's currently no wiring between the house and the garage that will do this. So we've brought a MAINSLINK with us which will operate the house lights and the garage lights at the same time without wires. So when the garage lights come on, it will operate a 240 volt transmitter which will send a signal to a receiver in the house to operate the house lights at the same time as the garage lights. Let's have a look inside the box. So we've got the instructions, the quick start instructions. One of these is the receiver and the other one is the transmitter. So here we're going to fit the transmitter. We're going to fit it right next to the time clock in the garage, and the time clock will power the transmitter. So the box has pre-made positions that you can cut out and fit the cable entry glands which are provided. So now we're basically wiring up the transmitter. When the transmitter has a 240 volt supply, it will send a signal to the receiver. So we're going to fit the receiver here, and when the transmitter in the garage sends a signal, the receiver will receive the signal and it will operate the house's external lights. So now the timer in the garage on the external lights also operates the house lights at the same time without the need of any wires between the two buildings. So now when the timer operates the external lights on the garage, it also powers up the transmitter, which the receiver in the house receives the signal and operates the house lights as well as the garage lights at the same time.